come out.
More and more vehicles now are coming from different directions. Military vehicles were bringing loads and loads of human beings. By afternoon, early afternoon, this ground was almost full now. I came to the then acting district commissioner, Mr. MTM, and asked him what's wrong today in Wagalla. Then he told me on the 8th of February 1984, there was a meeting conducted in the district commissioner's office by the National Intelligence Committee, the district committee, the provincial security committee. They had a meeting there and they instructed all the Wadiamel to be rounded up. I remember officers who introduced themselves as security officers from Garissa started addressing us here that we are all suspected of having guns. The purpose of bringing you here is to make sure that you cooperate with the security officers, and anybody with a gun should surrender the gun that he has or that he knows. And when the military poured in, that was the end of normalcy now.
Anza kupiga sasa. Leteni bunduki. Sasa
mimi nasema washa. Nikumbusha hii watu kama mimi mfanya kazi ya serikali. Kipande ya kufanya kazi ya serikali ndio nimetoa saa namna hiyo. Kula askari anaambia leteni mtu.
We were asked to lie on our stomachs on that hot mara, nude, naked. Clothes were taken away.
Some people were resisting that order to undress and remove all their clothes. He was taking a very cold beer, given to him from a cool box, from the tailboat. He was enjoying himself. Where here people were being put through hell.
Some senior government officers came out.
Kufika saa 7 hakuna mwanaume mmoja hata kidogo. Askari saa hiyo haja kuanza vituko ya kina mama. Wanaangalia kina mama hivi wanasema leo ngao hata tumerokota wanaume yenu, mkawezi kukosa wanaume. Mtapata tu wanaume, sisi ndo wanaume yenu. Kufika saa 8 saa 9 mnyumba zinaanza kuchomwa. Kona tu kona naanza kuchomwa.
Ile mayumba hata kama yuko na mtoto yuko ndani yake, hiyo mtoto anachomeka.
How could thousands of soldiers who have been trained to ensure they keep law and order in this country, how could they be yearning for our blood like that?
There was a flag. The Kenyan flag was flying for us. People were so trusting. People did not believe that kind of thing could happen. Today, 30 years later, people would rather be shot as they run away than to be headed into a place where they will be massacred.
What transpired here on the 10th of February 1984 has now popularly come to be known as the Wagalla massacre.